What's going on, guys? So it is a beautiful day outside today and I'm gonna go on a shoot. So I'm gonna be trying to vlog on the Canon 6D original, not the 6D II. And I know I said I was gonna wait till I get the 1DX Mark II, but you know, I'm impatient, I couldn't wait. So I'm taking it on the shoot, I'm gonna try vlogging with it, I'm gonna see how it goes. And if I like it, I'm gonna stick with it until I get the 1DX II. So let's head out. It's a great day today and I hope all of you have an amazing day. So yeah. Don't gram and drive, but I just want to take a minute to promote my Instagram page. So this is the handle right here. The link is also in the description. I just posted an Instagram photo, so make sure you guys go check that out and like it. Whenever you're watching the video, just check out my Instagram. You don't have to like that photo, but you know, just check out the Instagram page and maybe give it a follow or something. Also, I just found out something about the Instagram Insights page, the whole statistics, all your analytics and whatnot, that I didn't really put together before. I know it might be kind of stupid and probably some of you have already known this for a while, but when you look at the Instagram page, the Instagram Insights page, you can see that there's a lot of different shades of blue, and now these blues tie in with your most engagement, like your biggest following, like the biggest age range, the biggest gender, the biggest location, and it shows when these people are active the most, and it shows different shades of blue to show you when you should post even more, because not only is it showing the best time to post, but it's showing exactly who you're reaching out to. Like, this certain age range will be awake during this time or this time or this time, and if it gets a little bit darker than the lightest shade of blue, then you know, it mixes in a few more. So I found that really interesting, and I didn't really think about that until I just looked at it while I was on Instagram right now. So dude, that's pretty interesting. That's pretty good. I never really saw that before. I never took the time to look at that. But Instagram analytics, business profile, if you guys are trying to get more engagement, if you guys are trying to target a specific audience, that is an amazing way to target your audience. So if you guys didn't know about that before, like I didn't, now you know. The more you know. All right, anyways, still driving to the shoot. How you feel?
I don't know how to pose.
All right, Deborah, I need a thumbnail. Ready? Wait.
I can't even stretch my...
All right, Deborah, ready?
Where's Lynn's?
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready for my modeling shot.
What do I press?
I don't even know what the lighting is like. Is it good lighting? So we secretly got sponsored by Beats, right, Vincent? Sponsored by Beats to shoot a commercial. You know, we got a Korean model because Asian community. Somebody take pictures of us. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be in Manhattan.
Where are you staying?
I don't even know, to be honest. No, because I'm gonna be in a hotel. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in Manhattan, but I don't know what hotel because I didn't book it. Bite your lip? Bite your lip?
I'm right here.
Vincent, you're getting into this. You're getting too into this. You didn't even ask Deborah to bite her lip, but you asked Richard? Damn.
Come on, that looks good.
You look like Rich Chicker.
Rich Chigga? Fuck.
He changed his name.
Bro.
It's Rich Brian now.
Oh, Rich Brian now.
Yeah. Show some nipple. Yeah, that's for the viewers. That's gonna get me views. How is it, Richard? Did you enjoy your experience?
Vincent kept ordering me around.
Did you like that? Is that what you're into?
Uh,
A little bit.
oh yeah, I liked it.
It's so windy. So we are on top of the parking garage right now at my school, and we're gonna do a photo shoot here. because the first shoot was Vincent's little studio shoot. He needed an assignment for his photography class, and now we are up here in the garage. Me and Deborah are supposed to do a shoot, so we're gonna start doing that. Hopefully the sun starts setting soon. The sky is gonna start exploding, but the clouds are kind of in the way, so hopefully the clouds start clearing up. And yeah, so I'm waiting for Vincent to grab my lens from me because I left it at the studio. So hoping that he gets that from me. Pretty nice day outside. It's a little windy, but good day for a shoot. I am hungry, so we're gonna wrap this shoot up and I'm gonna grab some food. Definitely gonna grab some food. I'm starving. Got it. Let's go. Let's go. Ashley.
Yeah.
Will you take videos?
Yeah.
It's all gonna be in slow motion.
Everything?
Yeah, everything.
Project photographs. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can go up here. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Can or
No, you can't.
Okay.
You can go up there. All right. Hold on.
We're gonna. Do you know the bridge by Fuss 75?
Huh?
Do you know the bridge by Fuss?
75?
Yeah. Do you know the bridge?
Bridge? No.
Go to
I'll
Fuss
follow
75.
you then.
Go.
No,
No.
I don't know.
Just go to Fuss 75 and park in the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. So we got kicked out of the garage because of security and all these cameras. So we're going to a different location. So I decided to go towards this like bridge thing. So aesthetics, long bridge and all that. So hopefully we get a good sunset. We get this long, cool bridge, and the pictures turn out really cool. So let's hope for the best. And yeah, because the sky would have been really cool there, but we can't get it because they kicked us out of the garage. So hoping for the best. All right.
I think the other way.
That's to the bottom, yeah. You're good. Wow. You have to fix it. It's a wire. You just vape through it?
No, when you take the picture, it's gonna look cool.
Let's do an unboxing video right now. Yeah!
What is it?
Unbox it for me.
I got you. What the fuck? Oh.
It's a duffel bag.
Oh.
Thanks. You should start a YouTube channel. Unboxing.
Just unbox things.
Random things. Oh, I found a box in the street. Just gonna open it.
Boom.
Oh, it's not.
Woo!
Taco Bamba?
Oh no. I'm not model status like you guys. No, I don't like
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Oh god.
Oh.
Go.
Serious?
Hey,
That's so
nice meeting you.
How funny.
I'll see you around. Come over.
Okay.
Not my house, but
Ironies.
Ironies.
Yeah. Okay. When do you work? So, pretty successful shooting day. The pictures came out great based off what I saw on the camera. The colors looked awesome because, the whites and the blues really tied in together and everything just fit really well together. Thanks to Ashley and Vincent for shooting some B-roll for me because I carried around my GH5 in my backpack and I wanted to grab some slow-mos because the 6D doesn't really, have anything capable. The highest it goes is like 50 and 720p, and who wants to shoot in 720p? So thank you to them for that, and I bought actually ice cream in return. Kudos to them for some awesome B-roll segments, along with some that I shot because, well, you know, don't always have someone around. So thank you to them, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and Deborah and Vincent and Ashley and Richard and Jonathan all together shooting. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna go home and edit these photos, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog segment. I hope you guys enjoyed those little Instagram insights at the beginning. I hope you guys really just enjoyed all of this stuff together and really, you know, vibe with it. So I'm looking forward to doing more of these. It wasn't too bad vlogging with the 6D. It was actually pretty comfortable. I really enjoyed it and took some pictures, took some videos. So it's a really good hybrid. So I'm kind of getting an idea of what I can do with the 1DX2. Anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, share this video, and smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Alright guys, catch you guys later.